Portofino. You walk in through the main entrance and there's the bathroom directly to your left and then closets to your right with a safe. Then you walk into the living room area. Very nice, lots of room. And then to the right, this would be like your standard studio. So you've got 2 queen beds here. Hello, Melanie.
Hello.
The TV, window, seating area, and then you have another bathroom in here, but that's where she just went. The other entrance to this room, which is separate, and then another closet. And then once again, going back into the living room area, you go back through into the second bedroom, which has 1 king bed, a little seating area, and then into another closet space and a 3rd bathroom. Each of these bathrooms is very big, very spacious, and come with, of course, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash if you need it. So this has been, so far, a really great space for us. And you can see that they do sell these separately. They do call these the lock-off rooms. So they are sometimes sold as just separate, like the studio section and then a 1 bedroom as well.